Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I filmed this video already, but I forgot to turn on the mic. So automatically it got the audio from my camera, which just sounds echoey and a lot of noise, like white noise in the background. Did not like it. So I am going to be refilming this part where I show you guys what I got, but I'm going to be adding clips from my previous video of me using the products that I got. So if you want to see what I got, my October Boxy Charm, and just keep on watching. So this month is Alter Ego theme. It looks like that, and it shows you all the prices and all the goodies information. So the first thing I see is this Dermova Lacy Peel. This is a black bamboo charcoal peel off mask. So this one retails for $30, which is really pricey. It's a detoxifying charcoal peel paste and lace compression mask offers spa-like extraction results. The naturally blended peel paste in conjunction with the mask grips to the skin, helping to further draw out impurities for a deep decongestion. And exfoliation experience. And it feels like this is 2 lace masks plus a 20 ml to try this. Excited to try that out. I'm gonna be doing it in the next video. Next is a Kat Von D Everlasting liquid lipstick, and I got the shade Lolita, which is this right here. Really pretty color. Such a gorgeous color. And this one retails for $20. Let's see what's next. Next is the It Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. Ooh. This one retails for $24. Wrap your lashes in a lengthening, volume boosting, and ultra conditioning formula. The elastic stretch technology and the ultra black tint make for the thickest and most defined lashes ever. And this is what it looks like. Cute packaging. And this is what the wand looks like. Next, it says Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm from Pharmacy Beauty. Full size, baby. This cult favorite makeup cleansing balm melts away even the boldest of makeup looks. It's powerful enough to remove every last trace of long-wear makeup, yet ultra nourishing on your skin, leaving it hydrated and smooth. This retails for $22. Ooh. Dope. It smells nice and clean. This is what it looks like inside. It's like a paste. This is for our next video. Got some videos lined up. And the last thing I got is this Pure The Complexion Authority Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. Cute packaging. And then you open it up. And it has a 4, oops, backwards. It has a 4 face. It has 2 blushes, highlighter, and bronzer. And it has the 6 shadows. This retails for $38. Really pretty. And we'll do 2 shades. So first, I'm gonna dive in with the bronzer, which is Enchantment. It's this one right here. Let's see, and I'm gonna use, I'm gonna whip my shirt. And I'm gonna use my Sigma Large Angle Contour F40 brush to do that. Just a little bit. It's really pretty. Hidden Secret. This one right here. And I'm going to use a Sigma Large Powder which is a mini one. Oh. Let's see how this goes down. Whoa, 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 whoa. Really pretty. Really pigmented. Ooh, ooh, my cheeks never looked so pink. We'll blend it out right now. Don't worry, don't worry. Now, oh, I slept wrong. Now for highlighter, we're gonna be using the Twilight highlighter. It's this one right here. Let's see, and I'm gonna be using my Sigma High Cheek Bone Highlighter, which is the F03 for that. Let's see how that goes. Really pretty. Really light. I like it bold, but you know what? You can always build up. Pretty, pretty. Put that onto the nose. And then we're gonna blend all that. So this is my face. Now let's do the eyes. I did a natural color in my crease for a different palette since these are not transition shades. I am going to be using Sneak Peek, which is this shade right here. And I'm going to put it in my outer corner and a little bit into my crease. See this little mirror here. And then I'm using a Sigma 835 blending. I like to use this one for the outer corner and into my crease. It's blending really nice. I'm not having trouble blending it. So that's how it looks. That's how it looks. So that's one eye. Alright, let's do these swatches. Okay, here are the swatches of the shadows. Try to twist my arm more. So first one, which is Silver Exposed, Sneak Peek, Showtime, Mask Off, Disguise, and 12 a.m. Last one, oh, I can't get it. Last one is like a dark gray. So I was thinking for the lids, I can do Exposed. Let's do some exposed lips. I'm going to use eye shading H55 Sigma brush. Let's do this. And this is with no priming the lid before or wetting the brush. We need to wet the brush. I'm gonna wet the brush. And let's see if it does more pigment on the lid. Alright, ground it better. There we go. So definitely more pigment wetting the brush. Yep. Really pretty. I'm not trying to go no fancy look or anything. Just testing out these shadows and then blending the crease. And there you go. Ooh, really pretty. Okay, sorry, eyeshadow done. Now let's test out this It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I am going to curl my lashes on one eye and then not curl in the other. Let's try this sucker. I love the way it's grabbing onto my lashes. Whoa. lower lash. Let's see. I am liking it. Ooh, whoa, 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 whoa. So this is with mascara and with no mascara. Did give my lashes some volume. Maybe I can add another coat. Don't know. Let's do this eye. There. Okay. Curled, not curled. Do you guys see a difference? I don't really see a difference between curled and not curled. Anyways, loving this Superheroes It Cosmetic Mascara. So far so good, loving it. Now let's try out Lolita Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. So it's this one right here. Put it on. So here is Lolita Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. Love the way it looks. I overlined a little bit. It's okay. Such a pretty color. I actually have, I told you guys I had it in the studded lipstick. I don't. I actually have Lolita 2 in a studded lipstick. So this one's a lot lighter. I really like it. It's really comfortable. Feels really comfortable. It went on nice and smooth. It's a little sticky, but maybe it's a little dry, a little more. So for October BoxyCharm month, everything came out to $134. That's how much all this is worth. Sign up for just $21. You get all these goodies, full-size products, amazing products. You can use the link in my bio to sign up right now. I know November and December are going to be really good products. They always go out for holidays. Thank you so much, Thank you so much, BoxyCharm, for sending me a box early so I can let everybody know what might be in your box. I'll leave everything down below, the size, the weight of my box, and then I'll be receiving my own box that I purchased for a giveaway, so stay tuned on that. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.